Google Pixel 2 smartphone was launched in November 2017. The phone comes with a 5.00-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. The Google Pixel 2 is powered by 1.9 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor, and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Google Pixel 2 packs a 12.2-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Google Pixel 2 runs Android 8.0.0 and is powered by a 2700 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 145.70 by 69.70 by 7.80, high-text width x thickness, and weigh 143.00 grams. The Google Pixel 2 is a single SIM, GSM, smartphone that accepts a Nano-SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope and barometer.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.